In 2023, passive income has become one of the most easiest thing to do, especially on YouTube. By just posting a video every day, you can gain thousands of subscribers and make hundreds of dollars per month. But of course, if you follow these 10 steps. Today, I will be showing you 10 steps on how to make passive income on YouTube in 2023, and by the end of this video, I'll be sharing with you the secret sauce on how to gain subscribers. Step number 1, find your niche. You must find your niche, and at that, something that you love or you're truly interested in. So if you love car, sports, makeup, whatever it is, choose to focus on creating content on just that. You'll be able to get multiple YouTube ideas just by being in that one niche. Step number 2, research your niche. See what your other competitors are doing in your niche. What videos are their most popular, so you can replicate that or create something that is similar as to new. The way that you can do that is by going on YouTube. I go incognito, search makeup to the last 7 days, by view count. As we can see, there is a trend. Make sure to note at least 5 trending topics that are in your niche once you've done the first step of researching. And number 3, keyword searching. Now, this is very important. When you find your niche, go to Google Trends. There, you'll be able to generate multiple topics for your niche that are most likely to go viral. Step number 4, create your thumbnail. If you want people to click on your video, you must create your thumbnail before making your video. The reason that I say this is because you can have the best video in the world, the best editing, but if your thumbnail is trash, then no one will click on it. To create the best thumbnails, I stand in front of my camera and I do a bunch of facial expressions. Side note, if you want your thumbnails to look good or you don't have any ideas of a good thumbnail, look at your competitors and you can replicate their thumbnails or create something similar new to it. Step 5, write your script. A lot of people skip this process because they think you just get in front of the camera, say whatever comes to your mind, but that leaves longer time making the videos and it'll be harder for you. Right now, I'm reading the script, and no, I do not have a teleprompter to read the script to me. What I do is I have my phone right here, and the app that I use is Craft. Memorize the script, and then I'll speak. So that gives you more time to put relevant, important information that you can give to your audience. If you want to know how to write a script, I will be making a video on that tomorrow, so stay tuned. Step 6, make your video. Make sure when you're making your video to not talk like this. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be reacting, or today we'll be singing, or today we'll be doing this, today we'll be doing that. Be fun and talk with enjoyment, as this will be what you'll enjoy. As I stated in step 1, pick something you enjoy, because if you don't, you will have no interest in making the video about it. Don't talk like you can't, you don't want to be. The main reason of you doing this YouTube is because you want to do it. And I'm here to help you do it and gain that confidence, okay? Step 7, edit your video. If you are using a laptop, I would definitely suggest Adobe Premiere Pro. This is currently going for, I think, $20, but you can check on Google. In fact, if you're using a phone, a little sweet stuff here, go and get you CapCut. This is the most amazing editing app for Android or iOS iPhones that you can use, and it's free. Step 8, posting your video. Put your title in as you got from step 3. Put your thumbnail as you already got before you started this process. Step number 9, tags. Tags are very important. important. By adding tags, this increases your video 99.9% of being recommended to audience. If you are unsure on what tags to use, you can go on Google and search YouTube tag generator. That will help you out a lot. Step 10, repeat the process. If you do these steps for each video that you're doing, you are sure to gain a lot of audience, which is subscribers, and start to make money. At the beginning of this video, I told you guys I will be sharing with you the secret sauce on how to gain subscribers, and that is be consistent. If you post 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9 or 10 videos a day, you will activate the YouTube algorithm and they will start to recommend your videos. With that being said, you might want to replay this video so that you'll be able to understand what I was explaining to you over the process, and so you can apply that to your YouTube to start making money.